तो मेजरमेंट्स की जो द यूनिट ऑफ पावर क्या है, जो पावर की यूनिट होती है वाट होती है। इन द फील्ड ऑफ फिजिक्स वाट इज मेजरमेंट ऑफ पावर। वाट क्या है, ए पावर का एक मेजरमेंट यूनिट है। डिस्क्राइब द रेट एट विच इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज बीइंग वर्क्ड एट स्पेसिफिक मूवमेंट। पावर इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है, वर्क अपॉन टाइम होता है। इसकी जो एसआई यूनिट वाट है और ये इक्वल किसके होती है, जूल पर सेकेंड की। ठीक है, पावर इज ऑलवेज रिप्रेजेंटेड इन वाट में हमेशा इसको रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है या फिर किलो वाट में इसको रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है। चलिए अब फोर्स की यूनिट क्या है, न्यूटन है। द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स इज न्यूटन आर केजी मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर। फोर्स इज इक्वल टू मास इंटू एक्सेलरेशन। In physics, something that causes a change in motion of an object is called force. The modern definition of force, an object mass multiplied by its acceleration, was given by Isaac Newton. Law of motion. The unit of work is joule. When a force acts to move an object, then work done by the force is equivalent to the product of force and displacement in the direction of force. It is a scalar quantity. The SI unit of work is Newton meter, which is also called as joule. Joule is also the unit of energy. The SI unit of electrical resistivity of conductor is electrical resistivity is an intrinsic property that quantities how strongly a given material oppose the flow of electric current. A low resistivity indicates a material that readily allows the movement of electric charge. The SI unit of electrical resistivity is ohm meter. It is commonly represented by the Greek letter P, rho, defines as here R is R electrical resistance of the material, L length, A cross section area, P resistivity. As per other options, Friday is the SI unit of capacitance, volt is the SI unit of electric potential, ampere is the unit of electric current, while ohm is the SI unit of electrical resistance, not resistivity. Light year is the unit of distance. Light year is a unit of astronomical distance equivalent to the distance that light travels in 1 year, which is 9.46 into 10 to the power 15. A light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Light year is the unit of distance. Light year is the unit of distance, and light year is the unit of distance. Light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. A parsec, a unit of distance used to measure the distance related to stars in the sky, is equivalent to 3.25 light years. A parsec is a unit of length used to measure the astronomically large distance of objects beyond our solar system. 1 parsec is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 16 meters. 1 light year is equal to 9 is to 4 6 into 10 to the power 15 meters. So 1 parsec is equal to 3.262 light years. Now according to option only B is close to the exact answer. Parsec is the unit of distance. Which unit of measurement is multiplied by 0.39 to convert it into inches? B, centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.39 inch. So we can multiply centimeter by 0.39 to convert it into inches. How can the height of a person who is 6 feet tall be expressed approximately in nanometer? 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. 1 feet is equal to 0.305 meter. Then 1 feet is equal to 3.5 into 10 to the power 7 nanometer. 6 feet is equal to 6 into 30.5 into 10 to the power 7 is equal to 183 into 10 to the power 7 nanometer. A nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 minus 7 10 to the power, अच्छा सेंटीमीटर में. It is the unit of length in the metric system which is equivalent to the 1 into 10 to the power 9 minus 9 मीटर. सेंटीमीटर में दिया हुआ है तो इसलिए जो है -7 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, 10 to the power. एम्पियर इज द यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. एम्पियर इज द यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इफ 1 एम्पियर करंट इज फ्लोइंग in any conducting wire. It means 6 into 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons are entering per second from one direction and same amount of electrons flow from the other end per second. Megawatt is the measuring unit of power which is generated. Megawatt is the major unit of power which is generated in power. Megawatt is the measuring unit of power which is generated in power station or power plant. 1 megawatt is equal to 10 to the power 6 million watt. ठीक है, अब मैच कराना है तो मैच कराने में एक्सेलरेशन क्या है? एक्सेलरेशन इज द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, with respect to time. SI unit of acceleration is the meter per second square. Meter per second square. The SI unit of force as is Newton. The SI unit of impulse is the Newton second. The SI unit of work is joule. Which one of the following SI unit is not correctly matched? Pascal is the unit of pressure or stress in the international system of units. SI. Dyne is unit of force in CGS system. Clearly option D is not correctly matched. यानी pressure is not dyne. मैच करना है ये भी 19वां. तो 19वां में क्या है? SI यूनिट ऑफ पावर इज वाट होती है which is equal to 1 joule per second. Knot is the unit of measuring of speed of a ship. Nautical mile is unit of distance used by navigation in sea. Calorie is unit of measuring heat and energy. Thus option C correctly matched. Joule is the SI unit of work. Ampere, watt, volt, calorie are units of current, power, electric potential and heat respectively. ठीक है, आज 20 क्वेश्चन.